It shouldn't be low. If it's low, you have to check your brake pad. If it's not, check surround area any leaking. If it's not, you can top up only. Oil sign, you can top up engine oil here. Open and you can top up. When you're going to top up, make sure add correct grade of the engine oil. This vehicle has a special engine oil. If you're not sure, check this vehicle. You can see as it is, oil level here, spot on. If you need to jump start this vehicle, you need to top up your engine. This is Ford C-Max 2013. I'm going to show you underneath bonnet. If you need to open the bonnet, you need to go to the passenger door. This is bonnet latch. You need to pull. There is another latch here. You need to press this side and open. This is the stopper. Leave it here. Do you know what is this symbol? This is brake fluid reservoir. It shouldn't be low. If it's low, you have to check your brake pad. If it's not, check surround area any leaking. If it's not, you can top up only. DOT 4. You can see as it is, this is the minimum level, this is the maximum level. Don't go into overfill. Do you know what is this symbol? This is coolant for radiator. When it's hot, don't go into open. You ending with burning hand. Careful. This vehicle has a pink color coolant. When you going to top up only pink color coolant. Don't going to mix up the colors. And this component also has a minimum level. This is the maximum level. When you going to top up until maximum level. Don't go into overfill. It's not good for the engine. Do you know what is this symbol? This is screen washer. You can open the lid and you can add screen washer. Make sure when you're going to add, if you're in a UK, add antifreeze screen washer. Do you know what is this symbol? This is engine oil sign. You can top up engine oil here. Open and you can top up. When you're going to top up, make sure add correct grade of the engine oil. This vehicle has a special engine oil. If you're not sure, check with your local supplier or Ford. You can find out which oil grade this vehicle has and top up bit by bit. Don't go into overfill. If you want to check your oil level, this is the dipstick. When you're going to check oil level, make sure vehicle park level surface. Wipe the dipstick. This is the maximum level. This is the low level. We'll see how it's going on this vehicle. You can see as it is, oil level here, spot on. If you need to jump start this vehicle, you need to open the battery cover. There is a tab and lift up. This is positive line. You can connect positive line here. If you want to connect negative line, you can connect engine bay here. If it not, there is another connector inside here. You can see this one. This is the negative line. When you're going to jump start, don't going to mix up positive and negative line. You ending with unexpected problem. Also, if you need to check engine bay fuse, underneath here, engine bay fuse. You know what to do now. Don't going to mix up. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. Thank you. See you in the next video.